Hey guys, what's up? I am Sushman and this is my page where I talk about photography and cameras. I also run a page called 35mm.app where I run photography contests. So on that page I asked a simple question to everyone, and which is, what accessories do they love? And most people responded with answers like lenses, tripod, filters and etc. Now what's funny is the accessories that I keep with me all the time, no one mentioned them. And actually a lot of, even on YouTube, people don't mention these accessories that I think are very important, and I keep it with me all the time, and I think everyone should have it in their camera bag. These are very small, tiny accessories, doesn't take much space, and they're not even expensive. So I will start with one of my favorite accessory, which is this lens cleaning swab. It comes as a kit with a liquid and a lot of swabs, and that you can use to clean your sensor. Usually it's good before you go to an event or photo shoot, you clean your sensor. But I like to keep one swab with me all the time in my camera bag, just in case if I see some dust particle on my sensor causing small dots on the photo, I can use this swab to clean the sensor right away. You don't want to get a lot of dirty photos, like photos with a lot of dirt on them. And you might be thinking maybe it's your lens, but in reality it's the sensor which has dust on it. And if you are someone who changes his lenses quite frequent, there is a chance that you can end up having dust on your sensor. So having a sensor cleaning swab is very helpful. So what about lens? What if there's dust on the lens itself? I know a lot of people have a habit of cleaning the lens with their shirt, including me. I also do the same all the time. But these lenses are really expensive and we should not do that. If there's any dust particle on the cloth they're using, it can put a scratch on the lens. So better to use a microfiber cloth. It's so tiny, so small, doesn't cost that much. I always keep it in my camera bag so that if I see any dust on my lens, I can right away clean it with this microfiber. Again, you don't want to go out in a photo shoot to realize that your lens or sensor are dirty. So please keep a swab and a microfiber cloth with you all the time so that you can clean your sensor and lens if is there any dirt on them. So this is third favorite accessory, an SD card reader. I can just take the SD card out of the camera and see photos anytime on my laptop, anywhere possible. It's so helpful. I know you can use Wi-Fi or Bluetooth if it's available on your camera, but I just like using SD card. I feel it's fast than Wi-Fi. I'm not claiming anything, but I think it's faster than Wi-Fi and it's so convenient and I like it. And most importantly, I carry these adapters with me. This is USB to Type-C adapter and this is USB to Lightning adapter. So I can use these adapters to connect my SD card reader to my phone, which has Type-C port, or to my iPhone or my iPad, which has a Lightning port. And I can just read the photos from my SD card using this adapter with anything. So I can use my iPad, I can use my iPhone, I can use my phone, the Type-C, or I can even use my laptop. It's just so versatile. I think having a SD card reader with all these adapters is really helpful. And now the fourth accessory that I really love to always carry with me is an extra SD card. Like, you don't want to end up in a situation where your SD card got corrupted, or you realize that you haven't copied the photos from your SD card and there's not much space left. That's really horrible. You don't have any option to go back. So carrying an extra SD card is always helpful. And I just don't carry an extra SD card. I even carry a SD card adapter, so I can put a micro SD card and read it. This is not my preferred choice, but at least as a backup, I can look for someone who has a micro SD card, put it in this adapter and put it in my camera. So I have at least some option. So having extra SD card, very helpful. Okay, so SD card sorted out. What else? Extra batteries. Again, you don't want to be in a situation where you go out, you're taking photos to only realize that your battery is about to die. Having an extra battery is really helpful. And make sure that you charge all your batteries before you go. And if you're someone who shoots a lot of videos, then having extra battery becomes even more crucial. Alright, so SD card, batteries, cleaning kit, fiber, done. What else? This thing. It's a small plastic. Just fold it somewhere, put it in a bag. A small plastic bag. It's so helpful. Like if you're going out and suddenly it starts raining, you can just put your camera into a plastic bag. It doesn't matter if your bag is waterproof or not. Even if your camera has weather sealing, if it's raining really badly, your camera can get wet and it's not good for your camera, right? So having a simple plastic bag can be really helpful. Just put your camera into a plastic bag so that it doesn't get wet. Even if you have waterproof camera bag, maybe having extra protection might be helpful. My camera bag is not waterproof, so having this plastic bag is always helpful. And also sometimes you might realize that you just need an extra plastic bag, so having it is always helpful, right? So keep one. So I just mentioned having an extra battery is helpful, but what is also helpful is having a power bank. Although you might be having extra batteries and they might be charged, having an ability to charge your camera at any moment is very helpful. I remember once I went for an event and I was doing photo shoot for the birthday party, and the moment I got a chance to stop the photo shoot and take a small break, I took my camera and started charging with this power bank. I took so many photos that my battery was dying really fast, and having extra battery while I can also charge my current battery gave me such a peace of mind, which is very important during a photo shoot. So power bank, very helpful. I also carry a small pouch to keep the charging cable. This is really nice because I can keep my charging cable, which can be extended like this. And not only the charging cable, I can also keep the adapters that I mentioned, the SD card reader, into the small pouch. Very helpful and convenient. And the last accessory I want to talk about is a bit optional, but it can be really helpful for some people, especially people who don't have straps on the camera body. It's very important to carry extra camera straps in your camera bag. Like me, I don't have straps on my camera body. I like to carry them in my camera bag so that in case if there's any need where I need the straps, I can just take it out and put it back. The reason you might need it suddenly is because you might be in a situation where you're taking photos, but then there's a moment where you are not going to take photos and you just want your camera to hang it somewhere. It's very convenient to hang it on your neck while you have some time between the shots. So having a strap can be helpful. So keep an extra strap on your camera bag. So these were some of the accessories I really like to carry with me all the time. It doesn't matter what skill level you have, what kind of photos you take, these accessories are going to be really helpful. So do you think this video is helpful? Do you think is there any accessory which I missed and is also very important? You can always let me know in the comment. And if you like this video, then press a like. And you can always subscribe if you think my content is helpful to you. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.